once again, I'm watching Parker for the first time. And honestly, he has been wide awake almost the whole time that I've been watching him. He's curious. Yes, you are, aren't you? Oh, there's a burp. Isn't that a burp? Yeah. He's just looking around. Mm-hmm. Yeah. What a blessing. Little Parker. Parker Lee Miller. Ellen's been trying to keep him awake all day. And of course, when they leave, he's wide awake. You're looking at the camera, aren't you?